Hi. Please come in. Welcome. How are you? Aaja, बैठो.
Hi, Auntie.
Oh my God, you've grown up so much. How beautiful you're looking.
Thank you.
I'm sorry we started eating lunch. You know, Ishan these days is so busy. This is P. Purushottam, Mr. Jindal ka beta. Very, very dear family friend. And of course, Ishan, you know.
देखो जी, देखते देखते इतने बड़े हो गए सब। कन्नू की शादी भी आ गई।
देखो
बेटा, तुम्हारी शादी हो गई?
आंटी न्याय से करवा दीजिए ना। नो गुड मैच।
They came specially to give a wedding card.
हाँ, काफी भारी कार्ड होगा ना, इसलिए 2 लोगों को आना पड़ा।
कुछ लेंगे? Why don't you have some lunch with us? Or take some fruit? There's some kiwi. Do you like kiwi?
Yeah, actually, I love kiwi.
Good.
Of course you do.
Hand painted on handmade paper. They even send an Alpine Spring bottle of water. Beta,
Beautiful.
Beta, there's no bottle. Go get it now. We live next door, so she can get
No,
it.
it's only a bottle of water. No, Neha, don't worry about it.
What are you doing free on a weekday afternoon? Don't you work?
What are you doing free on a weekday afternoon? Don't you work?
She's a fashion designer. She has her own label.
Oh, does she? Fashion is really an F word, isn't it? I mean, to think people throw away completely useful things because they're no longer considered stylish. Such blasphemy in these resource scarce times.
Exactly. I agree with you, which is why I have a line of sustainable fashion.
Fashion, by definition, is an unsustainable concept, Neha.
Sure, the things you do help make life more efficient with what your AIs and coding, shooting, and all of that. But I think life's all about beauty. And what's the point of life if there's no beauty in it?
That's a nice speech, but you're not wearing any of that sustainable fashion today, are you? Doesn't look like it.
हम यहाँ शादी का invitation देने आए हैं शान, and I don't need to justify my outfit choices to you.
I was just asking what sustainable fashion.
Just why don't you have some kiwi or
She's
a
asking about
glass
sustainable,
of
so I want to know sustainable होता क्या है भाई?
We've got lots of
Yeah.
cards to give yet. Bye. Bye, beta.
What was that, Ishan? I mean, really? ये कोई तरीका है बात करने का? अकेले रह रह के ना, you've forgotten how to talk to people. Really, what was that? It's become an embarrassment. That's what you are. Thanks to you, I don't go out anymore. You know that? कितने सवाल लोग करते हैं. अपनी बहू के बारे में बात करते हैं और मेरा बेटा ना शादी के ना पैसे कमाता है. So what do I answer? I mean, genuine question. What was wrong with that girl? She's such a nice girl. She's perfect for you. There was absolutely no way to treat her. ना कीवी खाया ना चाय पी. So embarrassed.
जब मैं
घर
खुद
आता
के
है.
लिए किसी को चुनता हूँ, तब तो उसमें आपको सिर्फ खराबी नजर आती है. और जब आप चुनती हैं, then she's Sophia Loren. I mean, do you know how embarrassing it is for me that you think that Neha is a match for me?
What is
Please.
10 days. That's all we have.
We'll find somebody else.
Who? Everyone's booked.
We could ask Seshadri. He knows our repertoire.
Say Shadri, are you mad? He's busy rehearsing with that Chandrakala.
It'll only take a day's
He
rehearsal.
won't have the time.
He's not rehearsing all day for 10 days with Chandrakala.
When he's not rehearsing with her, he's sleeping with her.
Chi. Must not talk like this. You must not listen to all this gossip.
It's not gossip. I've seen it with my own eyes.
Where?
In that hotel in Moscow, at 3 o'clock in the morning, I saw him sneaking down the corridor and into her room.
What were you doing in the hotel corridor at 3 o'clock in the morning?
Watching to see whose room you had sneaked into.
I was downstairs in the bar drinking vodka with that Yakshagana group.
How do you know?
How do I know what?
That was too quick an answer. How do you know which night I was talking about?
There was only one night in Moscow that I stayed up late drinking vodka.
That was 10 years ago. How do you remember so clearly?
If you can remember watching Seshadri sneak down a hotel corridor 10 years ago, then I can remember getting drunk with the gang of Yakshagana men. I remember them very clearly. Plucked eyebrows, bad makeup. You see, I remember.
I know this is none of my business, but aren't you straying away from the problem? As far as I can gather, you need someone desperately. Someone like this Sheshadri, but not Sheshadri because he's busy doing whatever he's doing.
Oh, you are intelligent.
Thank you, sir.
But how does that help us?
You're right, it doesn't.
If I knew exactly what you want, ma'am, maybe I
Sorry
could
I took so long. The gas got over. I even had to tilt the cylinder. I thought I'd call you for some help. Then I didn't think it was such a good idea. So, Amma, what do you think of him? We aren't thinking of him. Ah, then it's me you're thinking of, huh? Vishwas, I hope you haven't been talking about your money and all. Amma, I told you no. Don't worry, he has loads of it. His father owns half the buildings on Commercial Street.
We were not talking about my money.
No, why not?
I seem to be in the middle of a problem.
What problem? Financial?
No. Your parents seem to have a problem and I'm right in the middle of it.
You are not. You don't even know what the problem is.
Lata, you should be the one to worry. What about? What about? About Srinivas breaking his arm. Arey, who is going to play the mridangam for your performance? My God, it didn't even strike me. Of course, he's gone and broken his arm. Why did it have to be him? I wouldn't have cared if that Muttaya had broken his neck.
C.V. Srinivas, our Mridangis.
A flutist, a violinist we can do without, but this...
Tripped on his dhoti.
You, this is a crisis.
It's a special talent.
Of course it is, Vishwas. Playing any instrument requires a special talent.
No. I meant wearing a dhoti. You know, I wore one once, sir. You know, I had to kick it out of the way like a sari. Of course, I've never worn a sari before. But you know, when you wrap it around and you take it
Vishwas,
back.
this is serious. Please just sit down and drink your Bonvita.
No,
Shrinu has been wearing a dhoti ever since he grew out of half pants. Must have been drunk.
You're right, madam. He was wearing a dhoti
Vishwas,
and he
this
was
is
drunk
serious,
and-
please. I don't want it.
Hey, worrying is not going to help. Think of all the people we know.
Oh, have you asked Seshadri, uncle? Certainly not. Thank God. I hate that pot-bellied lech.
Arey, where are you going?
I'm going to get an Aspro for my headache.
Taking too many Aspro. Please stop taking so many Aspro.
I tried that Novalgin. It doesn't help.
You're going to kill yourself one day. Please stop taking so many tablets.
I have to. I can't take this tension.